We're going to start with a checklist of items you should do when you first meet your kiln, whether it's new or used. We also recommend repeating this checklist annually or semi-annually to keep your kiln in good working order. Locate and familiarize yourself with the manual for your specific type of kiln. Many manuals can usually be found online if you no longer have a hard copy. Skip over the intimidating parts and focus on the operation sections. Perform a visual inspection of your kiln looking for any debris in contact with the elements. Use a shop vac to remove any chunks in the element grooves or on the floor of the kiln. Look for any sagging, burned up, or broken elements. Look for any glaze drips on bricks or shelves. Look for any wires or cords that are worn, loose, or frayed. If you have a plug, check that it isn't loose or has any dark spots. Make note of any cracks in the lid or the floor of your kiln. It is common for these to develop over time, so document them and address any cracks that are significantly sagging or gapping. Perform a test fire using witness cones to ensure your kiln is firing in the appropriate temperature. This is recommended for both the Select Fire and the Kiln Sitter models. If you aren't already, keep a kiln log of all of your firings. This can help you better estimate the time you'll need to dedicate to each type of firing. This can also help you see if your kiln begins to slow or stall, indicating a need for maintenance. We've made kiln logs available for download in the resource section. If you have any questions or concerns about beginning with your kiln, contact our technical support team using the information listed below. Be sure to watch our next video that covers pyrometric cones. Thanks for watching.